Deborah and I'm from CHIJ St. Teresa's. I came to know about POA from my close friends and through social media because they would promote ACL POA on their social media. I was failing almost every exam, and for N-levels I actually scored pretty bad. So because of N-levels, I decided that okay, it's time I need help for my POA. So I got Mr. Quack's number from my friend and I texted Mr. Quack asking for tuition. It was honestly really interesting because I always thought of POA as a very boring subject and I thought that maybe tuition is the same, but it turns out the foundation subjects were actually really interesting and it made me more invested in POA. I found it very helpful because I honestly didn't expect myself to actually be able to catch on with POA so quickly, and with the accelerated workshops it actually helped me so much. And because it's a whole class, right, so you don't feel so left out in a way, and everybody's enjoying POA together. Because in school it's textbook based, whereas for ACL POA they actually do notes for you, and the notes are actually simplified. It makes it easier to remember stuff and it's not as complicated as the textbook. I think it's the classes, the spirit here. Usually POA in school is very dry, very quiet, nobody talks about POA that happily, but whereas here everybody's so invested in POA. Everybody seems very interested in the subject. During circuit breaker, we had normal school lessons and we had POA tuition. So as compared to normal school lessons, ACL POA actually made me understand POA better, whereas for school, we couldn't understand a single thing the teacher said. And it actually helped me improve my POA by making me do more POA and pushing me. I would say during circuit breaker when Mr. Quinn personally drove down to our places to pass us worksheet, it was honestly really touching and it shows how dedicated he is towards his POA lessons because he has a lot of students, and for him to go down to each house personally just to pass worksheets for us shows us he really has passion for POA. I would recommend ACL POA because ACL POA really will pull your grades up and whatever is promoted is promising, and even if it's not a very good grade, at least you're still doing better than the rest. Thank you Mr. Quack, thank you ACL POA.